all aboard please. Hey, so we're here at Bohol's South Palms Resort. Hi. And we are checking in. Tama-tama. Anong oras na? Kaka 2 pa lang yata, no? 3 PM pa yung check-in. Na-delay yung flight. But it's okay kasi we're just in time for check-in. Hey guys, so we're here in Bohol. We just arrived. Hindi pa kami nag-check-in. Wala pa ibang kasama namin. Chris and I were actually invited by some of his friends to come here. Thank God for friends who can pull us out of the city once in a while. We're just waiting for them to come back kasi maaga yung flight nila. And they are, I think, taking a tour around Bohol. I heard they were at Bee Farm. I haven't been there, so we're late kaya hindi kami nakasama. But it's okay. They're about to come back. We're about to check in and then we're about to go around. Ang nice ng beach. It's white. Yung sand and blue waters. It's perfect.
Yeah.
We only have one restaurant right here.
Okay.
And breakfast tomorrow starts at 6 morning until 10 morning.
Okay. Buffet, no?
Hey, so here's our room. Twin siya. And we're finally able to check in. The room is spacious. Twin bed lang siya, but that's okay. And let's check the CR. Hello! Ayan, okay naman. Tapos, we are here sa beachfront cottages. Ayan. So, may east side ng South Palms. We are still waiting for our friends to arrive. Meron yata siyang welcome bag. We are still waiting for them to arrive. And then, medyo malayo ito. Yan, papasok si Chris. Hello! Hey! So we just had a quick dip. Yan si Chris. Wala masyadong tao today. It's sunny. Tomorrow is forecasted as a little rainy. And it's sunny again on the third day. Pero alis na kami nun. Wala masyadong tao, which is nice. And the weather is perfect. We are going back. Hello! Hey! What? Our beach roundie nandun na iwan siguro. Oh well. Nag-enjoy ko ba?
Yeah, of course. Dito na lang, no?
Yeah. Oops, sorry. And then, the second round to swim. Yes. So, I guess we will be stuck here. Dahil medyo mahal yung shuttle service to and from outside world. Parang 500 per head or parang 650 per head. And the last shuttle goes out of the resort by 3 PM. So, tapos na yun. Wala na kaming choice. We will be stuck here until the night. Maybe tomorrow we can go out. Or maybe not. Anyway, we can just enjoy the facilities. The beach is nice. The beach here versus the Bellevue, mas okay for me. Kasi the sands are fine. Very, very fine compared to Bellevue. I don't remember ganun ka-fine sa Bellevue. Let me just sit na lang here. I don't remember ganun ka-fine sa Bellevue. I remember medyo rocky sa Bellevue, although meron silang mas maraming activities like paddleboarding and kayak. While here at South Palms, they only have free kayak. So not sure if we will avail of that. Maybe. We're still waiting for our friends to come. Nandun pa sila sa labas. Hindi pa sila buwabalik. Sinusulit pa nila. Kasi once you come here, wala ka nang magagawa. You don't wanna go out because the shuttle service is expensive. Unlike sa Bellevue, meron silang shuttle service, I think, every hour, I think. So, nakakalabas pa kami paggabi. Yun naman yung parang maganda sa Bellevue. Yeah. So, anyway, Chris is still there. He is enjoying his swim. We have already enjoyed our swim kanina. Ako, I've already enjoyed my swim kanina. Nandun si Chris. Malayo na siya. Yan, nandun. Somewhere there. That one, you can see him. Lumampas na siya ng barrier. While I can laze around here dahil di naman ako magaling mag-swim. Ay, kid level lang yung kaya ko. I'm just waiting for our friends to arrive and then maybe we'll have our dinner together and spend the night here. Or maybe I'll join Chris in a bit. It's a good break for me because I've been sub-sub with work for the past, months? But it's okay, I'm enjoying it. It's just nice to have friends who can pull you out of the city life and, you know, arrange all these. Ticket lang ang binili namin and mag-join kami dito sa trip na to. So thank you so much, Tess and Ted, for taking us here with you. We are so enjoying the trip. It's a good break for me and of course for Chris. And we can't wait to see you later. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we are at Bohol Beach Club. Katabi ng softball. May wedding daw today. Bawal makikain. So we're just walking around the shoreline. And collecting seashells. We're spoofing the wedding. Hey, so we are here laying by the beach. Here is my view. So instead of a hammock, there's actually a bed, a floating bed. I'm waiting for Chris to come back from the room. Even the sunset is so beautiful today. Chris is enjoying the hammock. Nagmumuni-muni siya. Yay! So they're here. We're about to get ready and have our dinner. Yan yung cottage namin.
Wait lang kasi
Hello! We just had our dinner and we are trying to walk around. Bukas, we will be going to a bee farm. Yay! Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!